Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Mathematical induction. Chapter number 4, mathematical induction. One or two problems are completed, simple problems. So let us go to continue the exercise. One into 2 into 3. Next problem. 1 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 4. 3 into 4 into 5. Plus and so on plus. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. This is the problem. Okay, this is the problem and important problem. What is the procedure of mathematical induction? First we have to prove P of 1 is equal to first we have to prove P of 1 is true. So put n is equal to, we have to prove P of 1 is true for n belongs to n. So put n is equal to 1. No. LHS equal to left side LHS equal to right side RHS. So LHS is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So put n is equal to 1 means we have to come first term. N is equal to 2 means only second term. N is equal to 3 means third term. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So next RHS. RHS means n into n plus 1 into n plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4. E4 cancel. That is equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore P of 1 is true. This is 1 mark. P of 1 is true, 1 mark. Next, assume that, second step, assume that P of K is true. What is the first one? Okay. What is the first one? Let the given statement is P of n. P of n is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, 3 into 4 into 5, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5, plus and so on plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is taken first P of n. P of n is true, 1 mark. Assume P of k is true for k belongs to n. Another 1 mark, 2 marks. 1 plus 1, 2 marks. Next, k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. So this is the nth term of the given problem. Nth term. In the nth term, n is equal to 1 means n is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 into 2 into 3 first term. Put n is equal to 2, 2 into 3 into 4 second term. N is equal to 3 means we have to come third term. N is equal to 4 means fourth term. N is equal to k means P of n is true. Okay. What is the P? Assume that assume that P of k is true means what? 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on. Nth term. This is the nth term. Kth term. We want kth term. Okay. We want kth term means put n is equal to k in the given problem. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4. This is the equation number 1. Next k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. Put n is equal to 1 means first term, n is equal to 10 means 10th term, n is equal to k means kth term. So n is equal to k plus 1 means which term we have to come? K plus 1th term. In the given problem, n is equal to k plus 1. Substitute n is equal to k plus 1. So n is equal to k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to k plus 1, k plus 2 into k plus 3. This is the k plus 1th term. This is the main thing. This is P of 1 true 1. Assume P of k is 1 mark and find the k plus 1th term is 1 mark, 3 marks. Okay. Okay, k plus 1. Next what you have to do? Next adding the k plus 1th term in the equation number 1. Kth term, equation number 1 gi e k plus 1th term nu both side adding. Okay, this is the last one. adding k plus 1th term. Adding k plus 1th term both sides to equation number 1. ನಿಂದು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್? ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ in our NCERT textbook. Some members don't have any textbook, so that's why I did send textbook chapter, total chapter. Yesterday what did we send? Chapter name, this is relations and functions solutions. Relations and functions PDF. Okay, I did send a PDF. PDF means each and every problem, answer, solution, procedure, solvable. In our textbook exercise, each and every problem is solved. Every problem solved. So I did give any homework or any homework. Sir, any you don't understand, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಏನೋ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು ನಿಮಗೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆ యొక్క ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಟಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಯಾವುದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೋ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು, ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದೋ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಿಂದ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಈಗ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ అనేది ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೇಷನು. ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸು ఒక 90% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ 10% 20% ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಂಡೇ ఒక కంప్లీటెడ్ చాప్టరు సొల్యూషన్స్ అండ్ రన్నింగ్ చాప్టరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కలుస్తున్నాను మ్యాక్సిమం. ఓకే, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ವೀಕಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಗಿವೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ತಗೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 here, where this is LHS in the RHS. Equal means P of 1 true. This all problems same procedure. Two types of problems is there. First type direct, next type divisible by 64, multiple of some different two types of problems is there. So first type same iday procedure. LHS is equal to RHS. So P of 1 is true. Next assume P of k అనేది assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, true, already proved. So assume that P of k is true for k belongs to n. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, n ಬದಲು k ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡು. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅನ್ಕೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, k+1 ಟರ್ಮ್ನಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊ. k+1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, how to find out this is put n is equal to k+1 in the given problem. In the given problem n is equal to k+1. So k+1 plus 1 k+1 plus 2. So this is the k+1 term. The k+1 term adding the both sides. Okay, so next we shall prove that we shall to prove that ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, P of k+1 is true. Up to this is very easy. Up to this step we have to prove that P of k+1 is true. Up to this very easy. The next one is, this is the how to prove P of k+1 is true is the very tough. Very tough means compared to this, compared to before, up to this one, compared to this one, this is the main one. We have to prove P of k+1 is the main thing. This is the main thing. Maximum is 3 marks. This is 1 mark compulsory. Up to this 1 mark, 2 marks. Like remaining the 3 marks. This is the main thing. Okay, what is one? Adding the k+1 to both side of equation 1. What is the equation number 1? This is the equation number 1. Okay, adding, which one is adding? k+1, k+2, k+3, this one. So 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on, k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, adding the k plus 1th term. What is the k plus 1th term? K plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 is equal to what is the RHS side of the problem? K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4, adding the k plus 1th term, k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay, this is reduces into is a calculate. Okay, simplify. How to simplify? What is the answer? Okay, which answer we have to come? Which answer? Okay, which type of answer? Means what is the problem? Problem RHS side. What is RHS side? Equal to side now, right hand side. What is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. This is the RHS side of the given problem. So in the n, P of k is true means n is equal to k. P of 1 is true means n is equal to 1. Okay, how to prove P of 1 is true? Put n is equal to 1. How to prove P of k? N is equal to k. So P of k is true means what? N is equal to k plus 1. This is the answer. K plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 1 plus 2, okay, k plus 1 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to k plus 1 no, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4 by 4. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇದು ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂದಗ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೂ ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು అనేది. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರೋ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಎನ್ ಬದಲು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ 4 ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3. So plus 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. So common. So k plus 1 both, k plus 2 is k plus 3. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4 common. Remaining in the first term, this is the k is the balance. And the second term, this is first term, second term, 4 is the balance. So that is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 into k plus 4 by 4. What is the answer? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4 by 4. Is simply k plus 1, k plus 1 no, k plus 2 means k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 3 means k plus 2 plus 2, k plus 3 means k plus 4, both 5. So observe the RHS side of the problem. N is equal to k plus 1, n no, k plus 1 no, n plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2, k plus 1 plus 2, n plus 3, k plus 1 plus 3. So this is, therefore P of k plus 1 is true for k belongs to n no. So this is step 1 mark step idu. Last step, don't miss it. Last step is only 1 mark, only step. By the principle chapter name, by the principle of mathematical induction, By the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n belongs to no. No problem. Okay. Understand? Homework problems. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, plus and so on. N cube is equal to n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This homework, simple problem. Next another one. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus and so on. N into n plus 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. These both are homework. Next third problem. 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus and so on. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equal to n into 4n square, n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1, 6n minus 1 by 3, 6n minus 1 by 3. This is the problem. First solution. What is the solution? Let P of n is equal to 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7 plus and so on. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. So put n is equal to 1 now. LHS is equal to 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 into 1 2 minus 1 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 3. So RHS is equal to 1 into 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3. So 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. So assume P of k is true. P of k is true for k belongs to n. P of k is true for k belongs to n means n ಬದಲು k plus 1. Okay, ಇದು already you know simply. what is P of n is equal to 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus and so on. 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 is equal to k into 4n square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. This is equation number 1. Next, k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term means this is the kth term. N is equal to k means kth term. N is equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1th term. So 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 into 2 into k plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2k plus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2k plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. So adding k plus 1th term in 1. So we shall prove that, and we have to prove that, we shall to prove that what is one? P of k plus 1 is true. So 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus and so on. 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus adding the k plus 1 term. 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 is equal to k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3 plus 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. So LCM k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 plus 3 into 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 by 3. So LCM 4 into 4k cube multiply plus 6k square minus k plus 3 into multiply 2k into 2k 4k square plus 6k 2k into 3 6k plus 1 into 2k 2k plus 1 into 3 3 by 3. Okay, by 3. Okay, this is the main important, adding the first k plus 1th term and adding the k plus 1th term. Okay, next, that is equal to 4k cube plus 6k square minus k plus 3 into 4 12k square plus 6 into 3 18k plus 2 into 3 6k plus 3 into 3 9 by 3, that is equal to 4k cube 6k square plus 12k square plus 18k square. Next 18k square, 18 plus 4 24, 18 plus 6 24k minus k 23k. Okay, 23k plus 9 by 3. Okay, so by the first, by the method, this is 4 cube is equal to 4 q cube. Next k square coefficient 18 next k coefficient minus 23, next constant 9. So k is equal to minus 1. Compulsory k is equal to minus 1. First 0. 4 plus, first compulsory, first put it 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 into minus 1. Multiply with minus 1. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. 14 into minus 1, minus 14. Plus 23. 18 plus 6, 24, plus 23. So this is plus 23. Plus 23 minus 4 equal to 9. 9 into minus 1, minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. So this is first two. K is equal to minus 1 means k is equal to minus 1 means k plus 1. So k plus 1 into this is the cube. 4 is what? Degree 3 coefficient. So after reducing the division algorithm, this is the division method. Division method, this is the k square coefficient, k coefficient constant, because this is 1 degree is reduced. 1 degree is reduced. So if this 4 is k square coefficient, 4k square plus 14k plus 9 by 3. So what is the answer? Final answer in LHS. What is the problem LHS? n into 4n square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. So this is k plus 1 into 4 into k plus 1, 4 into k plus 1 whole square. Here in the RHS side of the answer, n is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1 into 4 into k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 plus 9 by 3. Okay, direct you have tried direct answer. So this is the correct or not, how to check it. So k plus 1 same. Okay, k plus 1 same. Next 4 into k plus 1 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 6 into k, 6k plus 6 into 1, 6 plus 9. So multiply 4k square plus 8k plus 4 plus 6k, 6 plus 9, 15. So 4k square, 8 plus 6. This is minus 6 into plus 16 minus 1. This is minus 1. So this is 4 into k plus 1 whole square, 6k plus 3 minus 1. Okay, 4k square plus 8k plus 4 plus 6k plus 6 minus 1 means 5. So 4k square, 8k plus 6, 14k, 4 plus 5, 9. Note, this is reduced into 4k square plus 14k plus 9. 4k square plus 14k plus 9. Okay, this problem is very difficult problem. So this is direct to have to write the answer and we have to check. Okay, this problem. So tomorrow next method, tomorrow I will discuss the next type of problems. Okay. So first this is the 4k cube. This is the synthetic method. What is this method? Synthetic method. Synthetic method, take k is equal to minus 1. First k cube coefficient 4, next k square coefficient, k coefficient constant. First we have to put 0. 4 adding 4 plus 0 4, the remainder 4 into the k value, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 8 minus 4 14, 14 into minus 1 minus 14, 23 9, 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Compulsory the last one remainder 0, we have to come remainder 0 must be come to 0. So next after synthetic method, completion of synthetic method, the answer 1 degree will be reduced. Okay, so the first one is k square coefficient, 4k square plus 14k plus 9 by 3. So what is the answer, final answer? In the given problem, RHS side answer, put n is equal to k plus 1 is a answer. n is equal to k plus 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್గా ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು ಆ n ಬದಲು k plus 1 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ k plus 1 ಸಪ್ರೇಟು 4 ಇಂಟು ಏನದು ಇದು n ಇಂಟು 4k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 6n minus 1 by 3. This is write down n is equal to k plus 1, 4 into k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 minus 1. This is the answer is correct or wrong. How to check? This is simplify. This value is equal to this value means this is both steps are correct. So therefore P of k plus 1 is true by the principle of mathematical induction. P of n is true. Okay.